It is clear with Corona as a triggering function and with massive technology disruptions, the world has accelerated dramatically and is in a new volatile era. We agree that every organization in the world, every government department, every nonprofit, every impact project will trend toward being what is called an exponential organization. That ecosystem is now transforming the world. The mission of ExO Lab aims to interact seamlessly in flow with Open EXO community, augmenting the peer-to-peer marketplace to tap into over 90% of businesses in the world. Let me introduce you. Welcome to the ExO Lab, connecting abundance in business that simulates natural symbiotic behavior. We have identified a problem in that more than 90% of businesses worldwide are small and medium enterprises, SMEs for short. What we've uncovered is that despite best efforts to awaken entrepreneurs to the abundance of exponential thinking, the results still skew toward that of large companies, institutions, and cities. Ask yourself this. Today, how many of the ExO members, coaches, consultants, trainers, and even ambassadors have a reach of 10x? How many are on the path to really convert themselves as an ExO professional or have exponential enterprises? How many ExO members have a big enterprise? How many have a AAA business? The answer is simple. Few are on this path. In a recent poll, 80% answered that they do not have enough opportunities throughout the community. 90% want to share their assets and intellectual property to feed a shared economy or joint projects. Their passion is pure. The market for SMEs is massive and is ripe to bring technologies and exponential methods to them. These markets represent over 80% of the GDP worldwide. We intend to inspire the continued 10x growth of the Open EXO ecosystem. This is where SaaS service opportunities arise in the SME market. SMEs have a nice opportunity on scalability, but it represents a low income for us. We also see that price sensitivity is high on SMEs, but we're only able to digitize it on a product standardization level. This leaves SaaS services to arise as a huge opportunity for the community. So, our MTP is to transform Open EXO into a symbiotic ecosystem. We plan for every member of the ecosystem to work together, join different talents, and join assets. We will create a symbiotic ecosystem in which everyone, from the organization, investors, and members, get earnings by joining efforts to create proposals, products, and services. With a complete view from supply to distribution, not only in training and consultancy or sprints, but in implementation, where members build and deliver products and services end to end. In this end-to-end portfolio, we will give SMEs access to solutions as a service, in which members of the Open EXO community work together to build solutions and earn a subscription fee that will belong to the builders and owners and management of Open EXO. So in every deal, there will be a perk for the investors, which helps us to build and make a sustainable governance of the model. We will share a percentage of the margin in every deal we do. We will also offer commissions for Open EXO community members who funnel a sale for every deal won. The community will have special discount rates for the use of assets which belong to the library. And the platform will offer free content, products, and services while monetizing through other channels such as data analytics, marketing, and ads. There are multiple startups working specifically for SMEs. Several assets used are subscription-based. Imagine in this image that every logo belongs to a company whose owner is an EXO member. As a standalone, they may have only a few services, few assets, but if you mix them with end-to-end solutions, magic happens. A chasm still exists between abundance for these SMEs and exponentiality. By incorporating the EXO Platform Lab into the mix, we can connect the dots from governance and risk management to tech solutions that open a wide range of collaborative and cross-pollination opportunities amongst partners, sister economies, or just the community members. SMEs gain important tools to leverage ExO methodologies while sharing in the profit, discounts, and future of the ecosystem. The first attributes we adopt are specific projects, assigning times, deliverables, responsibilities, and of course, measuring the results. We will approach community and crowd, leverage each other's assets, or existing ones, and encourage autonomy and experimentation accordingly. The framework then becomes investors plus OpenExO plus community plus assets equals an exponential ecosystem. The roadmap will set up corporate governance, regulations, guidance and pricing, and validate. We'll establish framework processes, payment flow, and administrative rules. We'll develop the platform architecture, positioning SMEs as central to expansion. And finally, integrate investors and profit-sharing models. Our ideal outcome is to become an OpenExO partner, collaborating with internal and external members and users. We want to connect with investors, developers, and build profit-share models where all parties win symbiotically. We ask for your vote to become an OpenExO partner.